Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol EYES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely beautiful uptrend this one's been in. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would consider the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.20, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to continue to stay up above that point, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point area, and that sits right down there at $2, give or take a few pennies. So $2.20, $2, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely assumes that you care about and have more so a bigger picture time horizon, but that is where the 50-period simple moving average comes into play, which is being denoted there by that purple line. And as the name implies, moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're just somebody that cares about, like I said, the big picture of things, and you want a very cut and dry way to gauge the current health of the movement of price, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. No questions asked. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, public enemy number one going forward right up there at about $2.50. Yeah, I get it. The price peaked its head up above there a few times, but I think we can all agree that the main point of price congestion at this point in time seems to be right up here around that area. So that is why I'm calling 250 that main level of resistance. But in all actuality, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then the chart will continue to take care of itself. And part of taking care of itself is breaking those areas of resistance. So focus on building higher bases. And like I said, the chart from a big picture sense will take care of itself. So you can just sit back and watch it do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.